Now we will learn factor by grouping. This is usually used when there are plenty number of terms. You can see over here in the given question, you may have to factor this and classify how it is. Now you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. But now let's look into the common or similarities. We can see the similarity in numbers, the similarity in say x squared, y squared, a and b values. So there are plenty of similarities. It is up to you to choose because ultimately the answer will be the same. Now over here, generally the easy method is, you can go with numbers. You can see 14 is multiple of 7, 28 is a multiple of 7 and 35. Whereas the remaining ones, 8, 16, 20 are multiples of 4. So we can rearrange them. 14, 28 and 35, whereas over here we have minus 35 it was minus 8, minus 16 and plus 20. You can see over here a b c x squared x squared x squared and all this is y. So there is two similarities in these terms, the numbers and the coefficient and the variable. So you can remove common out. What goes in all this? 7 and x squared. So remove that common out. So when you remove this terms out, x squared and 7 is gone. You're remaining with 2a. Over here, you're remaining with 4 times 7 is 28. So 4b minus 5c. Here you can remove negative because 2 are negative. It's up to you, but it's generally good to remove. Okay, it's not generally good. Sorry. Once you remove this, compare this. This and the term over here must be same. Then only you can simplify further. Now look over here. 2a, 4b is positive. These two terms must be positive. So remove the negative out. Negative 4y. So what you're remaining is with 2a, 4b, negative 5c. You can see these two terms are same. Now this is similar, like imagine this is u, term u, okay? 7x squared u minus 4yu. Can I remove this u common out? I can remove it. So I will have 7x squared minus 4y. And what is out? You can write u. So what is this u basically? That is this entire term. So what I have done over here in this last step is you're writing 7x squared minus 4y because these terms are common. So this is again factored out. Now that can be, it's basically like distributive property. Now if you keep on multiplying, you will get the back terms behind, you will get the same equation. So now just to recall again what I had done over here, these two terms, imagine they are like any term, u or a, anything. Okay, I've not used a because it's already there, or l, m, n or anything. And now you can see these same terms are repeated, so you can remove them common out. And what is going to remain? 7x squared and minus 4y. So 7x squared and minus 4yu is outside. So this is the answer. So this will be the final answer. I hope this is clear. Just go through the steps. It is basically, you're grouping different factors and then finally simplifying it further. So now over here, this is it. It depends on what options are given. Look into the option and stop simplifying. Now we can see about combining cubes and squares. So this is again a simple but complicated problem. Simple in the sense it's very straightforward. There's nothing much over here. You can see this can be easily rewritten, and we have x to the power 6, so they can be easily rewritten. But when you rewrite, it's gonna be square and a cube. So what I mean is, now look over here, 64x to the power 6. So we can write this as to the power x to the power 3 the whole square. Now what is going to happen here? Now 8 square. Okay, this is one more thing. Don't take 4 cube. Why? Because you won't be able to solve. You can see this is in terms of cube, right? In terms of square. So it'll be x3 the whole square. And there is minus sign. There is y3 the whole square. So don't keep this in terms of cube. 4 cube is 64. No, don't do that because then you won't be able to solve. So write 8 square 64 and then you will get this simplified step. Now what happens is you have the square, so apply the square formula. There is plenty of formulas over here. It is a square minus b square formula. You will get a plus b, a minus b. Okay, this is the identity. Now over here a is this 8x cube and y is y cube. So you will have to substitute over there. Now it will be 8x cube plus y cube, and over here we have 8x cube minus y cube. Now when you look at this, you know this is in terms of which formula? A plus a cube, the sums and differences of cubes. A plus b cube, that is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. And then what do we have? We have a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b a square plus ab b square. So this is what happened now. You have to apply both of this again. So what is going to happen over here? A is 8x, sorry, not 8x. We need to simplify it. We can write 8 in terms of 2 cube. So it will be 2x. This will be over here. Sorry. 2x the whole cube plus y cube. Over here again 2x the whole cube minus y cube. Now you need to write over here, instead of 2x whole cube plus y cube, you need to write 2x plus y and 2x the whole square, that will be 4x square minus 2xy plus y square. So this is going to happen for the first term. Same thing with the next term. See what is going to happen over here. Sorry, this is the full term. Sorry. Now here 2x plus y, and this 2x the whole square is 4x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Same thing with the next term. It will be 2x minus y. Again it will be 4x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. That is the end of this lesson. This problem. Sorry. Now this is a little bit complicated, but the terms are simple to solve. If you look at it, you'll understand. Okay, to the power 6, you can cube it and square it, but then there are plenty of identities that you use. So if you know the identities, then it's just algebraic substitution and solving. Please be thorough on this identities, and then you can easily solve them up.